Let's talk about femininity today. We all know two kinds of women in today's world. One that sacrifices everything for others. One that only knows how to give others. The truth is, such women have been taught from the very beginning of their life that to be a girl is to be submissive. That is what makes you virtuous. But our present generation has seen enough of that and already doesn't like that way of life. By now we all know that if you don't have a strong sense of self, then people basically treat you like a doormat. Such women suffer in their life and thus they cannot make any worthwhile contribution to anyone else's life. But today's episode is about the other set of women that have emerged in our times. As a result of the previous experiences, the women of our generation have become hardened. They have separated themselves from their own divinity and femininity. Today, let me tell you how dangerous this is. A female biology is much more delicate, sensitive, and soft as compared to the masculine. As a result, it is much more important for women to take more rest, be gentle on themselves, and take compassionate care of their bodies. But because of the previous generational experiences and childhood programming, we have learned that the only way to stay safe is to harden up and act like a man. But because of this, we become enemies of our own body. Our inner feminine feels unsafe in our own bodies. While it is absolutely understandable why females took this approach in life, it is time we start to understand that this strategy is harming us in more ways than it is saving us. So when a woman suppresses her femininity, what happens in her psychology is that she is separated from her vulnerability and her feelings. But these feelings and these vulnerable aspects obviously don't go away anywhere. They're just suppressed within our own psyche. As a result of adopting this strategy, this female will be able to stand at par with men in corporate jobs. She'll be able to do all the chores which are meant to be done by males. She'll be able to fend for herself. But let me tell you that she will not be fulfilled in her life. In fact, she will always feel very unsafe. Let me tell you why. When one part within this woman is desperately trying to be a man, another part within her will overcompensate for this in relationships. If she's already taking so much risk in her life and hiding her vulnerability, then all of her vulnerability will come to the surface when she's choosing a partner for herself. As the law of attraction will respond to her suppressed aspect, she will become a match to the men who are not at all masculine, who don't like taking initiative, and they would literally want the woman to take all the responsibility. What's more, because the woman is so much in denial of her own vulnerability, she won't even admit that she feels vulnerable and unsafe with such a man. In fact, now she'll work even hard to become a man and take care of everything because her partner literally won't. Thus, this becomes an endless cycle of going further and further away from her own feminine essence until the day her body just gives up. I know that in today's world, it is really difficult for women to find a man who is truly in his divine masculine. And I know that most of you are scared by this point. Don't worry, I'm not going to ask you to become vulnerable in front of the world when it obviously feels so unsafe. Let's start small. How about starting to admit to our own self that yes, we do feel fragile, we do feel unsafe, and yes, we don't want to be a man. What happens when you let yourself see your vulnerability is that bit by bit, all the decisions in your life will change. For example, rather than finishing that project within time, you will take more sleep because you know that your body needs rest. Rather than completing all the chores in your home, you will decide to create some art or just spend some time in the garden. You will start gravitating towards different careers, different jobs, even different friend circles. Slowly, you will notice that just by accepting your femininity within yourself, your life has dramatically changed. This means, when you feel vulnerable and unsafe, rather than bulldozing those feelings and completing your project anyway, you will take some time off and will first take care of yourself, be soft on yourself, because your own well-being will become more important to you than anything else. Now let me tell you how this will affect your relationships as well. A woman who is being too hard on herself and is trying to conduct herself like a man has very less strength left. So she has very less leeway when it comes to discretion in relationships. For example, if there is a choice between a man who is masculine, but he does not have enough resources yet, and another man who is very timid, but he has a house in a well-established society, then she will end up choosing the second man, even if she loves the first one. However, if this woman is already taking care of her vulnerability, she takes care of her softness and genuinely caretakes her essence, then she'll develop a lot of inner feminine strength. Due to this, she has a lot of choice in her life and is not at the mercy of her vulnerable aspects. She takes care of herself on all levels and not just financially. And now her actual strength will shine. This woman will have the strength to love a man who is in his divine masculine. She will choose a man who is driven, takes initiative, has the masculine strength to care for her well-being, even if he is not yet well established in his life. Her vulnerable aspects will not force her to settle for a man who may have a settled career but does not have enough masculine force to provide her safety. This woman will develop the strength to leave toxic relationships and not stay stuck in them for years being a man and taking care of literally everything. This is the woman whose heart is so deep that she has infinite capacity to love. A woman who has the strength to be committed to her own well-being in this harsh world has the strength to truly love a man who is in his divine masculine force, such that she can show him the way to his heart. And together, they can create a beautiful life, not just for themselves, but for the entire world. Have a good week.